Hi, Namaste. Namaste to one and all. I welcome every one of you for this new spoken Hindi learning channel. Learn Hindi through English. In this channel, we are going to learn the easiest way of spoken English. And I am going to teach through so many videos which will help you to develop your spoken skills in Hindi. We have one more channel which is called Spoken Hindi through Tamil. It will be combined with the Spoken Hindi through Tamil, and you can make use of that channel also. Today, as a starting video, I am going to teach you the vowels. Hindi, before that we have to know about Hindi. English is an international language. All over the world we can converse, we can communicate in English. In the same way, all over India we can communicate, we can converse, we can speak, we can express our thoughts even in Hindi. That's what it is called national language. Rashtra Bhasha. Rashtra is nation, Bhasha is language. Bhasha is nothing but which helps us to express whatever is in our heart or in mind, which reach others. So I am going to teach the vowels today. In English, in all the languages, we have vowels and consonants. Today I am going to teach Hindi, few vowels of Hindi. Come, let us go to learn. Today I am going to teach vowels. These vowels are nothing. We tell that in English vowels, same way we tell it in Hindi, swar. Swar. Swar is nothing, but it is independent. There are vowels in English, A, E, I, O, U. The same way we have vowels in all the languages, including Hindi. A, I, U, Ru, Ye, I, O, Au, Ah. And in this video, I am going to teach, there are totally 13 vowels are there, in which I am going to teach you 6 or 7 vowels today. Let it should not become the burden. So let us go very slowly. And I am going to teach A. A is, the letter will be written like this. See? R. R. Okay, we say apple. R. Right? The same way R. Next, which is little longer than R, which has to be written like same way. R you have to write like this, and you have to put one more line here. Nearby that R, it becomes A. The sound, the duration what you take to pronounce that letter, which is called in Hindi matra, the span of time. If you say R, it will take one matra. If you say A, it takes 2 matras. The span of time we say as A, that is matra. Okay, and I am going to teach E now. You can say R. Say R. Yeah, you say a little bit more than that. Next, E. How to write E? You see, we have to put one line and English yes. Then you have to make a bend inside too. E, and there is a above line, right? E. Okay. Next comes the same letter you have to write, and you have to make a bend above the E. E. This is called E. Okay. E. Next comes U. What is that? U. The little short sound. U. U. Like that. See how I write? Just one number 3 and I put above line. This line. U. Okay, if I say U, how I have to write? Same way. This way U has to be repeated. Then you have to bend like this. in the middle of that number 3. This comes oo. This comes oo. Okay. Just you try. Say yeah, good. Fine. Say e. Good. Say e. Okay, the span of time. The time what the duration what you are taking is little bit lengthier than this. This is e. This is e. This is a. This is a. Where the time is very shorter, which is called hrasva. Which is called hrasva. When it is lengthened, when it is little big, little more, when you just pull that sound, it is called dirgha. It is called dirgha. Okay, hrasva, dirgha. Now you say a. Say a. E. E. U. U. There is one more letter is there called R. R. In Hindi, we say Ru. In English, we say Ri. If I ask you to write Rigveda, Rig, immediately we write Rig like this. Okay, Ri. But actually, you are writing like this in Ri, but it is R, not Ru, room, room, wala, room, Ru is not there. It is R, R. Okay, how to write R? You see, there is arrow, and you have to make one line here. After that, one small s. That's all. This is R. Tell me R. Okay, right? R. Okay. Just we will go to the conclusion. All of you say a. Say this one. Yeah, lengthier than a. This is e, and this is e. It comes u. This is u. Then it is r. Ru. It is not ru. Or it is not kru. It is r. 6 more letters are there. That we will see it in the next video. Okay. All of you practice these letters. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment bar. And if you like this video, please share, watch, share, and subscribe with your friends. We will go little, one after one, so that and within 30 or 40 videos, we will be comfortable in Hindi. Namaste. Dhanyavad.